I have one that plugs in. It's got a heater in it because it's so cold outside.
Wow.
It's going to be cold.
I didn't know that existed.
Oh, yes.
That sounds
and
nice.
it is worth it. I mean, I pull it out like 3 days a year, but it's worth every single
worth
day.
it.
Yeah, because we're going to be cold, right?
Well, I got one plant, and that's the only thing I have to protect.
Oh, there you go. You can just bring it inside.
But yeah, it's going to be really, really cold. I mean, we're talking about freezing temperatures. Dallas might see a hard freeze, 27 degrees.
Yeah.
So very, very cold. And we're not used to it here in South Central Texas. But I still want to show those national temperatures. We're still the warmest in the entire country right now. Anytime we're warmer than Miami, I'm like, wow, we are definitely above average. But that's going to be changing very, very soon. You can see places up north like Bismarck at negative 10 degrees, Minneapolis at -1. So very, very cold up north, and it is going to make its way south. But let's talk about things right now for your Saturday morning. It's a very foggy start to the day, and you can barely see anything outside right now. 61 degrees is where we're at, San Antonio, 100% humidity. So definitely be careful if you're out on the roads this morning. If you're in Pleasanton, especially in San Antonio, we've got some lingering in Uvalde, Del Rio, and in New Braunfels as well. So that's going to be clearing out by lunchtime. But again, if you're going to be heading out in the morning, be very, very careful. Now, as far as your Saturday, cloudy skies will stay with us. We're basically in a cloud right now is what we're doing. So we're in a cloud all day for today, cloudy skies, but we will be reaching the 70s today and tomorrow. So mid-70s for the first weekend of 2025, which is very, very comfortable. Sunday, we'll see a little bit more sunshine, and then we'll start to clear out in the afternoon. But let's talk about that humidity. So it is going to be lingering around today and tomorrow, and then you'll notice that big drop in humidity for the work week because that cold, dense air is going to be moving in. So we'll have that comfortable air, but it is going to be very cold. So you can see it's going to make its way all the way into South Central Texas. This is at Tuesday at 7 a.m. We're looking at close to freezing temperatures. Dallas, 27 degrees. That's a hard freeze right there. That's when you really have to start worrying about the 4 Ps, right? Your pets, plants, pipes, and people. So just be careful and be aware of that. We do have the weather impact alert in effect, and there even is that possibility of a potentially wintry mix of rain and snow. So that's a big deal. We've got those rain chances. We've got the cold weather. It's very minimal, but there is that chance of some snow here in San Antonio. But the most important thing is that you're going to want to bundle up. Now, as far as our radar right now, not tracking anything whatsoever. Houston, though, is expecting some rain this afternoon around 3 o'clock. They're already seeing a little bit of a drizzle if you're heading out there this weekend. But overall, it's just going to be that Arctic air you need to watch out for, and that's going to be moving in on Monday. So here's a look at your 14-day forecast. 70s today and tomorrow, and then we drop to the 50s on Monday, and then 40s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, even dropping down to the low 40s Wednesday and Thursday. We'll clear out by the weekend. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after this break.